friends, welcome back to my channel Tips, Fitness and Lifestyle. Now many of my friends, colleagues, family, relatives, they all are pretty unsure and often agitated as to why they are not able to lose weight in the right amount that they desire to, even after having a strict diet or exercising routine. I personally feel maybe the basic element to weight loss is missing. Now the safe amount of weight loss per week is approximately 1 to 2 pounds. Some may lose more, however, later on they tend to regain even more and then put on even more calories. Why? Because maybe for some reason they are not able to continue their strict diet plan as well as exercising routine. So today I'm gonna tell you 16 simple ways to lose weight naturally as well as safely. Point first, water. Please try and hydrate yourself throughout the day with water. Water is the best fluid someone can have throughout the day. Now the water has 0 calorie. The recommended amount of water per day is 8 to 10 glasses, but I personally advise to drink please more than that. We as a human, we tend to drink water only when we feel thirsty. Tell me if you don't agree. Even I used to do the same thing. However, I suggest please keep a water bottle with you so that water bottle is going to remind you over and again that you have to drink the water. Keep on sipping water throughout the day and refill the bottle once it gets empty. This is going to help you directly lose weight in the long run. A quick tip from my side to all my viewers. Please try and drink water before you have your meal. That way, you are going to eat less amount of calories because the water is going to make you feel a bit full for a certain period of time. Point 2. Black coffee. Now coffee is considered to help us lose weight only if it is black. No sugar, no sweetener, no milk. Now it also helps us to improve body's metabolism for carbohydrates and fat. It also helps us to lower the risk of diabetes and liver diseases. So coffee lovers have black coffee. Now, third point. It is avoiding drinks which are high in calorie and beverages. Now energy drinks, we have tons of energy drinks in the market. Also aerated drinks, sodas as well as alcohol. These all contain excessive amount of sugar and fat which directly leads to weight gain. So please, people who are interested in losing weight, try and replace one or even more than one of these drinks with water and herbal tea. Herbal tea is my favorite, friends. There is lots of herbal tea available in the market which has different flavors. Please try and find and you will definitely have one of your choice. Point 4. No extra sugar. Now avoiding sugary products could be really tempting and not that easy because they are delicious. And to just let them go away is not always easy for especially who has a sweet tooth. Guys, most of the sugar that we consume comes from fructose. Now what happens is the liver breaks this down and turns into fat. Later on, these fat the liver releases into our bloodstreams, which can lead to weight gain. So please try and avoid sugary products and adding extra sugar to your drinks and your food. Point 5. Processed food. Guys, processed food has tons of fats, calories, sugar as well as sodium. Please try and avoid these foods as much as possible. They actually have a very little nutritional value than we believe that they have. If you can eliminate processed foods totally from your life, that will be the best thing to do. Point 6. Healthy snacks. Now friends, we often opt for option of food which is very easily available to us when it comes for consumption when we feel hungry. So please try and avoid keeping pre-packaged snacks, food, even processed food, sugary items, candies, chocolates, pastries, as well as canned juices when you feel hungry. Instead, have healthy snacks at home as well as your workplace, which has tons of nutritional value. Now the examples of the same could be nuts without any sugar or salt, as well as low-fat yogurt or milk. You can have cut fruits, pre-chopped vegetables as well. Now point 7. Protein-rich diet. A diet which is high in protein may help us lose weight naturally. So one must have more eggs, chicken, fish, lean meat as well as tofu. Low-fat cottage cheese is also extremely healthy when it comes to protein-rich diet. These products are rich in protein and they are relatively low in fat. Point 8. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates could be more damaging to the body than actual saturated fats. So please try and avoid as much as possible. The examples of the same are white rice, white flour, white bread, pastas, pastries, canned juices, sugary products. Instead, please try and include whole grain options into your day-to-day requirement of consumption, which are brown rice, brown bread. Also, some of the pastas come under the category of whole grain options. So all these whole grain options are going to help you lose weight as well as will keep all the possible diseases away from your body. Now point 9. Fruits and vegetables. Friends, fruits and vegetables are a great source of minerals and vitamins. They are loaded with antioxidants. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, magnesium, zinc, potassium, phosphorus as well as folic acid. They also contain loads of fiber. Now, fiber is very important to clean up the entire digestive system. So please include loads of fruits and vegetables into your diet, which will help you reduce weight and keep the weight maintained. Now point 10. Fasting. Now fasting in short intervals is really beneficial for health as well as helps in reducing the weight. Intermittent dieting or fasting, as they say, is one of the most commonly used styles of fasting and reducing weight in today's world. If you are interested to know more about it, I've already made a detailed video on the same. Please click on the link in the description box below. However, intermittent fasting is not at all recommended for pregnant women, for kids, for elderly people, as well as people who are having some underlying health conditions. Point 11. Fiber. Now, fiber has several potential benefits to our body, as well as it helps to reduce weight. Consuming fiber can make us full more quickly. Fiber helps to reduce weight by promoting digestion as well as balancing the bacteria in the gut. Point 12. Adding chili. Now, chilies are supposed to help us to lose weight. Capsaicin is one of the active element or chemical that is available in almost all types of spices, which helps us to burn the fat and also increase our metabolism. So all the chili lovers, please add on some chilies and enjoy the benefits of losing weight. Point 13. Eating slow. Now some of you may think, do I really have time to eat slow? But please give it a thought to this one, guys. Eating slow may help us reduce weight. The reason behind this is our brain takes some time to understand and realize that our stomach is full. So if you're going to chew your food properly, eat slow, your brain will tell you that you're getting already full and you will avoid that extra portion of the food or intake of the food, which will help you reduce weight in the long run. Point 14. Small plate. Now again, use of a small plate while having food may have positive psychological effect, because most of us tend to fill our plates when we feel hungry or when we sit to eat. Use of a small plate while having your food is going to have a small portion of the food in your plate, thus reducing the calorie that you are going to intake in every sitting or at one go. Point 15. Basic exercises or yoga. Now, adding a basic exercising routine or a yoga routine into your day-to-day life is definitely going to help you feel more healthy and expedite the weight loss process. If you are interested in either of the one, I have already made a detailed video about the same. Please click on the link in the description box below. Point 16. Last but not the least, enough sleep. Now, taking sufficient sleep every night is very important for our body to function properly as well as help us lose weight in the long run. My advice to all my viewers or all the people who are interested in losing weight naturally and safely is to kindly make permanent changes into your lifestyle and not to go for short-term plans or temporary measures. Now, by permanent changes, I mean to make a basic step change into your life and then gradually adding on to the same. However, please be consistent because consistency is the key to success. Now, I hope friends my 16 tips were beneficial to you and you have liked and enjoyed watching my video. If you have liked my video, kindly hit the like button. If you have any comments to write, please write into the comment box. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay fit and stay blessed friends till we meet again. Bye bye.